आज मनोहर पर्रीकराची 66 बर्थ एनिव्हर्सरी आणि ॲज द स्टेट सेलिब्रेट्स आय थिंक दिस इज अ जर्नी वॉट मनोहर पर्रीकर हॅज शोन ऑल ऑफ अस. It was an opportunity to work under him, take his guidance for 2.5 years. We have had a love and hate relation for long, but 2017 was a thing where we came together. आणि दोघांनी ताजे गायडन्स, ताजी मेंटरिंग, ताजे सगळे जे ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह स्किल्स, वे हाऊ गव्हर्नन्स रन्स, could learn a lot from him. Taking his lot of him as a role model, I have put a lot of things in my own portfolios which I had that time. IT जावं, revenue जावं, labor employment जावं, planning statistics जावं, आणि खंयच्या हातून कितें इश्यू असल्यार he was continuously guiding. So I think that today we miss that guiding factor, that guiding light which was there. Goa misses him immensely. I think on the political frame and map, he is one person who cannot be matched in the past and maybe in the future also. He was the defense minister, the second or third in the country, and having run successfully the chief minister's position in the state, I think there were a lot of things that could be done. Unfortunately, ill health coming in, he is no longer with us. But coming here to pay respects to what he was, what he is, and what he is to me, I think it has to go a long way as we look at Goa, keeping its at least Manohar Parrikar's legacy. ताजे विचार like IT खातीर आमी knowledge destination करूं शकताले. We were working towards IT frame where we could make it another knowledge destination, a knowledge hub in Goa. Getting education things, whether it was IIT, other thing, NIT, सगळे बरोबर हाडून we wanted to create an environment which was pollution free and also welcomed by the people. It would be another economy which would have started. A lot of thoughts are there. Legacy of Manohar Parrikar needs to be continued. And ताज्या खातीर आज I just come today to pay respects on the Samadhi which still needs to be completed. I hope the government will take this initiative to complete it fast. So to pay a tribute, I have come today.